the main bedroom or the master bedroom or one or the other. Yeah, so of course this is the closet. Yeah. You know, you guys are always complaining, talking about we keep showing all these big houses. I mean, they have a lot of big houses. What want me to say? A lot of big houses. And then of course, okay. Oh, you can actually come here. This is the downstairs area where we came earlier. And yeah, this is the garage. Even the flooring in the garage is pretty nice. So yeah, so you can actually pull in right there and then come around and voila. Yeah, so yeah, but this is the main, this is the show. Let me show you guys. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Say again? Ah. So this is the kitchen. Oh yeah, so they got in case it get crazy, there's a safe here, and you need to shut yourself in. I guess you have a key here. Yeah. You can give everybody the finger. IRS, you're not coming in here. Yeah. Yeah. In just case it get crazy. Yeah. And this is, what is this? I don't even know. I'm not going. he's a brave one. Yeah. All right, guys, so they get an opportunity to see this place here. This is gonna be special. That's all I can say. They're gonna have a pools over here as part of the community, and then they're obviously gonna be building a place where there's gonna be plant life and stuff where you can come and get fruit, field fruit for free, all kind of stuff. So it's gonna be interesting, and our people are getting access. Yeah. Because I have no intention of just sitting in the house. I do it because I have to sometimes. You know what I mean?
Thank you so much for spending time with us today. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notifications button so you don't miss out on all things the real South Africa. Thanks again.